Ready to take your outdoor adventures to the next level? Whether you're camping, hiking, or prepping for survival, having the right gear makes all the difference. From smart tech to rugged essentials, must-have gadgets will keep you powered, comfortable, and prepared no matter where you roam. What if your tent could charge your phone while you sleep? Solar-integrated smart tents take camping to the next level by blending flexible solar panels directly into the tent's surface. These built-in panels soak up sunlight and convert it into usable energy to power your LED lights, USB ports, and even small devices, all without leaving the campsite. Ideal for remote adventures, they let you stay connected, lit up, and powered up, completely off-grid. It's high-tech shelter that makes backcountry living a whole lot brighter. Tired of sand sticking to everything? The Sandfree Seagar Multimat is a game changer. This high-tech mat uses a dual-layer weave that lets sand and dirt fall straight through, so your setup stays clean, even on a windy beach or dusty trail. It's lightweight, packs down small, and doubles as a great surface for lounging sleeping bags or even prepping food. Whether you're setting up a base camp or relaxing by the fire, this mat keeps things tidy without you lifting a finger. Say goodbye to thin, crinkly sleeping pads. The Hest Dually Extend mattress gives you the kind of plush, insulated comfort you'd expect from your bed at home. Only it rolls up for the road. Designed for 2 people, it uses enhanced memory foam to contour to your body, and it's tough enough to toss in your trunk or mount in your van. Whether you're sleeping under the stars or inside your SUV, it transforms your night outdoors into a legit rest reset. Need serious brightness that goes the distance? The Nebo Luxream rechargeable spotlight packs an impressive beam that cuts through darkness like a searchlight. Whether you're navigating trails, setting up camp late, or scanning for wildlife, this spotlight delivers up to 1,200 lumens and a beam range of 1,500 feet. It's USB-C, rechargeable, IP67 waterproof, and made from aircraft-grade aluminum, so it's tough enough for any expedition. Plus, it doubles as a power bank in a pinch. Think of it as your pocket-sized lighthouse in the wild. This isn't just a backpack, it's a smart organizer built for survival and everyday adventure. The Ultima 22 backpack features a modular design with detachable pouches, waterproof compartments, and even a built-in power cable pass-through so you can charge devices on the go. With 22 liters of space, it hits the sweet spot for day hikes, overnighters, or bug-out situations. It's lightweight, comfortable, and surprisingly versatile, turning from commuter pack to outdoor companion in seconds. If you want one bag that does it all, this is it. Small enough to clip to your gear, loud enough to fuel your entire campsite. The Flextail Tiny Speaker is a waterproof, ultralight Bluetooth speaker that's built for the outdoors. Don't let its size fool you. This thing pumps out rich, clear sound and connects seamlessly to your phone or tablet. It's dust-proof, rugged, and features a long-lasting battery that keeps the tunes going all day and night. Whether you're vibing by the fire or setting the mood at the lake, this speaker delivers big sound in a micro frame. Ever wish your entire kitchen could fold into a single box? The Warden Outdoors KUB Kitchen Box makes that happen. It's a fully modular, compact kitchen station that includes a cutting board, utensil organizer, sink basin, spice rack, and even a cooking platform, designed to set up in under 60 seconds. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum and waterproof polymer, it's rugged yet sleek. Whether you're car camping or overlanding, this all-in-one box brings gourmet-level organization to the backcountry. What if your campfire doubled as a table and looked like it came from a sci-fi film? The Table Meteor blends aesthetics and function with a portable wood-burning stove that also acts as a cooking surface and social hub. Its artistic, Meteor-inspired design creates a stunning flame effect, while the top remains usable for pots, kettles, or mugs. It's collapsible, lightweight, and made from high heat-resistant materials that can handle rugged use. Perfect for those who want warmth, ambiance, and utility in one beautifully crafted unit. Say hello to a cleaner, more portable way to enjoy a campfire. The Foco portable fire pit is lightweight, foldable, and designed for smokeless, efficient burns. Its advanced airflow system circulates air from below to keep flames strong and minimize smoke. No more shifting chairs when the wind changes. It sets up in seconds, cools down fast, and folds flat into a carrying case. Whether you're in the backyard, on a trail, or at a campsite with burn restrictions, this pit gives you fire without the fuss. Tired of juggling awkward armfuls of firewood? The diamond-shaped canvas. Firewood log carriers are a stylish and rugged solution for hauling logs without the mess. Made from heavy-duty, water-resistant canvas with reinforced stitching, these carriers can handle a serious load, whether you're collecting wood from the forest or the woodpile. The unique diamond shape lets the carrier fold up compactly while maintaining strength when expanded. It keeps debris off your clothes and lets you carry more with less strain. Practical, durable, and honestly, it just looks cool. Because camping is better when you share the seat. The Love Seat double camping chair is perfect for couples, close friends, or families who want to cozy up around the fire without dragging two bulky chairs. It features padded, quilted seating, insulated cup holders, and a sturdy steel frame that holds up to 500 pounds. It folds down surprisingly small and comes with a shoulder carry bag for easy transport. Whether you're watching a sunset, telling stories, or just relaxing, this Love Seat makes every outdoor moment more connected. The VTO Man Jump 18,800 power station packs serious power into a compact unit you can carry with one hand. With 18,800 mAh capacity, it can jumpstart your vehicle, recharge your devices, run small appliances, and even support solar charging. It includes USB-C, USB-A, DC, and AC outputs, making it an all-in-one power hub for campers, overlanders, and emergency preppers. There's even a built-in light for night use. Rugged, portable, and packed with features, this device could be the difference between stuck and safe with the Lost Horizon Tesla Air mattress. This 4.5-inch self-inflating mattress offers a hybrid of foam and air cushion support that feels almost like a real bed. It inflates in minutes, fits most SUVs or tents, and comes with an anti-slip bottom so it stays in place all night. The surface is soft, breathable, and durable enough for repeated outdoor use. Whether you're on rocky ground or in the back of your rig, this mattress turns sleep into something you'll actually look forward to. The 18 Tech all-weather SUV screen tent transforms your vehicle's rear hatch into a ventilated, bug-free shelter. It attaches quickly, creating a covered space with mesh windows, waterproof panels, and full ventilation. Great for sleeping, cooking, or relaxing without worrying about insects or rain. It's compact when folded and perfect for road trips, overlanding, or festival weekends. Whether it's blazing sun or pouring rain, this tent keeps your campsite dry, breathable, and comfortable. When it comes to fire starting, reliability is everything. And the Zippo Mag Strike delivers. This ferrocerium rod and striker combo throws a shower of hot sparks, even in wet, windy conditions. The durable, textured grip gives you full control, and the integrated whistle adds a survival twist. Whether you're lighting a stove, building a fire, or signaling for help, this tool is compact, weather-resistant, and works without fuel or batteries. Toss it in your go bag or glove box. It's one of those better have it tools when things get real. Meet the Kelty Glendale 65-pack, your do-it-all hiking and survival backpack. It's built for multi-day treks with an adjustable frame, padded support, and 65 liters of storage that includes multiple access points and an internal hydration sleeve. But what really stands out is the thoughtful organization, stuffed pockets, compression straps, and gear loops that make loading up feel intuitive. It's tough enough for the backcountry, comfortable enough for long hauls, and smart enough to adapt to any terrain. Think of it as your mobile base camp. Lighting doesn't have to be harsh or boring. The Climate Everglow light tube is an inflatable LED light that creates a soft, even glow across your tent, canopy, or vehicle interior. It's dimmable, USB powered, and packs down to the size of a soda can. Whether you're setting the vibe at camp or illuminating your night setup, it offers ambiance without glare. Hang it, wrap it, or drape it anywhere. It's weather-resistant, ultra-light, and shockingly versatile for something that weighs less than most flashlights. Crank up the trail vibes with the Sony SRS XE300 outdoor speaker. This rugged, portable Bluetooth speaker pumps out powerful directional sound that's perfect for open-air environments. It's waterproof, dust-proof, and even shock-resistant, so it won't flinch at rain, sand, or accidental drops. With up to 24 hours of battery life and quick charge capability, it's ready for a full weekend of music. And the built-in mic means you can take calls hands-free at camp. It's the ultimate audio companion for hiking, chilling, or full-blown campfire karaoke. Why settle for sitting when you could be reclining? The ever-advanced reclining chair is designed for serious outdoor relaxation. With a padded seat, adjustable backrest, and built-in headrest, it gives you the comfort of a lounger with the portability of a camp chair. The steel frame supports up to 300 pounds and folds flat into a carrying bag. Whether you're napping under the trees or stargazing at night, this chair turns any patch of grass into a 5-star lounge. Clean water anywhere you go. The Hydropack Filter Cap transforms any 42mm threaded water bottle into a portable filtration system. Just screw it on, fill up from a stream or lake, and drink. No waiting, no pumps, no tablets. It filters out 99.9% of bacteria and protozoa, making it perfect for backpackers, emergency kits, or travel. The lightweight design won't slow you down, and the fast flow rate means no more awkward squeezing. Compact, sharp, and built like a tank, the Gerber Fastball Magna Cut is a premium folding knife made for EDC and survival. Featuring Magna Cut steel, it balances corrosion resistance, edge retention, and toughness like a pro. The Fastball's ball-bearing pivot lets the blade snap open smoothly with one hand, while the deep carry pocket clip keeps it discreet and accessible. Whether you're slicing rope, prepping food, or just want a reliable blade on you at all times, this is a knife that earns its spot in your gear loadout. Say goodbye to windblown flames and soggy matches. The Nebo plasma lighter uses dual electric arcs to ignite anything from kindling to candles. No fuel required. It's windproof, USB rechargeable, and built tough for outdoor use. Plus, it includes a flashlight on the base, making it a multi-purpose survival tool in one sleek body. Whether you're lighting a stove in a storm or just need backup ignition, this plasma lighter gets the job done. One cable to charge them all. The Pelican G5 RF Field Wallet isn't just for cards. It's a rugged, waterproof vault for your essentials. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's crush-proof, RFID blocking, and features an IP67 waterproof rating, meaning it can survive a dunk in the river and still protect your cash, cards, and keys. The interior has an elastic organizer and anti-slip grip, and it fits right in your pocket or pack. Whether you're hiking, biking, or off-roading, this wallet is like carrying a mini safe with you, because losing your ID in the wild isn't an option. The Human Gear GoBites Spin is a smart, collapsible spork system that twists together into a full-length utensil. It's made from ultra-durable, BPA-free materials and packs down small enough to fit in your pocket. Unlike flimsy plastic sporks, this one is heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and won't snap mid-noodle slurp. Whether you're eating chili, pasta, or freeze-dried meals, this cleverly designed spork is lightweight, strong, and easy to clean, making it ideal for minimalist adventurers. Need a flashlight that could double as a signaling beacon? The Ankara 2025 Upgrade Flashlight is a compact yet blindingly bright torch that delivers up to 2,000 lumens with multiple modes, including strobe and SOS. It's USB-C rechargeable, IPX6 waterproof, drop-resistant, and made for tough outdoor conditions. With a powerful zoomable beam, you can spotlight distant objects or flood an entire campsite. Whether you're tracking a trail at night or prepping for emergencies, this flashlight won't leave you in the dark, literally. 30. Rhino Ready Companion V2 Backpack. Last but definitely not least, the Rhino Ready Companion V2 Backpack is the ultimate survival pack for 2 people. With modular compartments, rugged construction, and smart storage designed for emergency gear, it's built to keep you prepared no matter the scenario. The pack includes space for water, food, tools, and first aid, all in a highly durable, weather-resistant shell. Whether you're bugging out or just want peace of mind on your next trip, this backpack combines convenience, durability, and readiness in one powerful package. 31. Musen Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Looking for crisp, clear sound that can survive the outdoors? The Musin portable Bluetooth speaker is a compact powerhouse. It delivers rich, immersive audio with surprisingly deep bass for its size, and it's fully waterproof, perfect for lakeside chilling or rainy hikes. Its vintage-inspired design blends style with durability, while the long-lasting battery keeps the tunes going for hours. Whether you're around the campfire or on a solo trek, this speaker packs a punch without weighing you down. 32. Jump Starter with Air Compressor 5-in-1. When emergencies strike, this 5-in-1 jump starter with air compressor has your back. It's not just a powerful jump starter for your car or ATV, it also inflates tires, powers USB devices, and even serves as an LED flashlight. Compact and rechargeable, it's a multi-tool that fits neatly in your pack or glove box. Whether you're off-roading, camping, or facing roadside troubles, this gadget keeps you prepared for the unexpected and ready to get back on the move fast. That wraps up the 30 ultimate camping and survival gears. Each one of these gadgets is designed to elevate your outdoor experience, boost safety, and keep you comfortable no matter where your adventure takes you. If you enjoyed this lineup, don't forget to like, comment your favorite gadget, and subscribe for more gear reviews and outdoor tips.